Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all, Dollar General is absolutely on fire today with the deals. We have a lot to talk about. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other videos that you might want to go and check out while you're here, because we do have new clearance markdowns, new penny list, surprise pennies still out there everywhere. Plus we have run deals, run glitches at Dollar General and also at Walgreens. Now, I will be making a post in the community tab because I do have a quick update on the Walgreens deal, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that. But if you want to check out any of these other videos, they are all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now let's go ahead and see what's going on at Dollar General, because like I said, they are absolutely on fire this week with the deals. So we're going to start off with two new sales, which began today on Thursday, December the 7th. We have a Christmas home decor sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. This sale will run through December the 13th. It does include the indoor and outdoor decor, kitchen and tabletop decor, rugs, lights, ornaments, garland, stockings, and tree skirts. And we also have a sale on the holiday pajamas. These are on sale for $10. It does include the men's, women's, and kids sleep sets. And this sale will also run through December the 13th. All right, next up, we're going to talk about the 3-day sale, which starts today on Thursday, December the 7th and runs through Saturday, December the 9th. So please keep in mind that you can include any of these deals in with your 5 off $25 scenarios for even more savings. All right, so first up, we have the Mountain Ridge and Bobby Brooks sweats. These are on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. We also have the ladies and girls Sherpa jackets. They're on sale for $10 each. And then we also have the sleep robes. They are also on sale for $10 each. And I do want to give you all a quick heads up on these robes. I purchased one in a previous sale, and they do run small, so keep that in mind. Next up, we have the Hanes t-shirts. They're on sale, 3 for $12. And then we also have a sale on the Grey Dot cold winter accessories. They are on sale this week. Buy one, get one for free. Next up, we have a really good sale on the $5 fleece throws. They're on sale. Buy one, get one 75% off. So you're going to pay $6.25 for two. We also have the kids work crayon tubes. They're on sale for $10 each. Then we also have a sale on the Blue Star dolls. They're buy one, get one half off. And don't forget about that promotion for when you spend $75 on toys in a single transaction. You're going to save an additional 25% off at the register. Next up, we have the LED light strips on sale for $5. And then we also have some Bluetooth speakers and cameras on sale for $10 each. Next up, we have the wall decals. They are on sale. Buy one, get one 25% off. Next up, we have the Bluetooth tower speaker, normally priced at $40, but they're on sale for $30. If you pair this up with your 5 off 25, that would leave you paying just $25 for a $40 Bluetooth speaker. All right, next up, here's a really hot ticket item. We have these Sterilite latching totes, 32 quart, normally priced at $12 each. They are 50% off right now. So you're going to pay $6, and the other colors are included as well. Just make sure that you scan them before you go up to the register. Now, typically, I would be telling you all to hold off until clearance. That's really the best time to purchase totes. But this year, we have had some really, really awesome sales on the totes. So $5, $6 range, definitely a stock up price. Now, this next deal I would definitely pass on because we have had better deals over the past month. We have had sales, buy one, get one free. That is really the stock up price when it comes to purchasing motor oil at Dollar General. Next up, we have a few deals on gift cards. So definitely take advantage of these deals. If you know that you're going to be shopping at these stores anyway, this is just one more way that you can save during the holiday season. Next up, we were supposed to receive a buy one, get one coupon for the Purex and Snuggle fabric softener. However, at the time of posting this video, I'm still not showing this on my account. If it pops up, I will make a post about it in the community tab. All right, next up, here we have a few Christmas items. So we have the 6-foot pre-lit Christmas tree, normally priced at $35. They're on sale for $25. And again, if you just pair that up with the 5 off 25 on Saturday, you're going to pay $20 for a $35 Christmas tree. We also have the holiday ribbons and bows on sale for 25% off. Right along with it, we have the stockings and the tree skirts, buy one, get one half off. Then we also have several buy two, get one free sales. We have the Ferrero Rocher chocolates. Right along with it, we have the Bugles, and then we also have the Hot Tamales and Mike's Candy. Buy two, get one for free. We also have tortilla chips on sale, 2 for $4, making those $2 each. And then we have a couple of sales on the Campbell's Chunky Soup as well as the Progresso Soup. They're on sale 3 for $5. Now we're going to move on into our drink deals, and the drink deals are on fire this week. First up, we have our Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, Canada Dry, RC Cola, 7-Up, and A&W 12 packs on sale, 3 for $14. Next up, we have the Root Beer, Brisk Tea, Ginger Ale, Crush, and the Starry 12 packs on sale, 3 for $11. Now, we do have a cashback offer on the Starry 12 packs for $1.50 back for each one you want to pick up, a limit of 5. So, pick up 3 at $11. After your cashback, that's going to make your final price $6.50 for 3 12 packs. Next up, we have our Coca-Cola and Sprite 6 packs. They're on sale, 3 for $11. We do have a one-off 3 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $10 for 3. Then we also have an amazing sale on the Pepsi and Mountain Dew 6 packs. They're on sale, 4 for $13. Now, we do have a one-off 4 digital coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $12 for 4, but this deal does get better. If you want to pick up the Mountain Dew 6 packs, we have a $1 cashback offer on those. So if both the coupon and the cashback offer stack, that's going to make your final price $8 for all 4 6 packs. Now, we have the same thing going on with the Starry 6 packs. Those are also on sale, 4 for $13. That one-off 4 digital coupon does work with those as well, so that's going to be paying $12 out of pocket. And we also have a $1 cashback offer on the Starry 6 packs, so that's going to make your final price $8 for 4 6 packs. Next up, we have the Root Beer, Crush, Starry, and Ginger Ale 2 liters on sale, 5 for $5. And this deal does get even better because on the Ginger Ale and the Starry 2 liters, we do have a $1 cashback offer for when you purchase 3. So that is going to make your final price $4 for 5 2 liters. All right, next up, we have the Starry 20-ounce bottles. They're on sale, 2 for $4, and we do have a $1 cashback offer on those. So that's going to make your final price $2 for 2, making those just $1 each. And then we have the same thing going on with the Mountain Dew 20 ounces, $1 cashback offer, final price $2 for 2, making those $1 each. What the heck, let's go ahead and throw in one more deal. Here we have the General Mills cereals. They're on sale 2 for $5 this week. We do have a one-off 2 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4 for 2, but we do have a DG cashback offer, so if both of those stack and work together, that's going to make your final price $3 for 2 boxes of cereal, making those just $1.50 each. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. I'm going to run out and try to score some of these deals before the shelves are cleared, and I hope that you all do too. But make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more deals coming at you all later on today. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.